Hello everybody, my name is Pete and welcome to the Junebug Rancho. So today we got this dryer and did a repair on it, which I have another video on how we repaired it. But so it's a new dryer in this house. But I noticed when I went to hook it up, got a 3-prong plug on here. And look at where I've got to plug into. 4 prongs. And it don't plug in. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to change this one out with the old one. It came off the old dryer. And see how that goes. So I want you to look over here. Here's our connections. So here this is coming in. You got 3 connections here and a ground. If you look up here, it'll tell you, and I don't know if yours has this or not, but it probably does somewhere on it. It tells you how to hook up a 3-wire or a 4-wire. So we're going to be hooking the 4-wire up. I'm going to remove it from the other dryer, and we'll see how it goes. Here we are. If you'll notice, this is the 4-wire plug. So I'm going to take it off of this one. It has 4 wires, and so we got a red and a white and a black here, plus a green for the ground. So just so you know, the red and the black are the power. The white is a neutral, and the black, and the green, I mean, is a ground.
It smells like kitty in here.
Does it?
Yeah.
I wonder why.
Because she lives in here.
Because she's in here. There we go. Got it off. So now we'll head back over here. This is the, we didn't have a ground. Okay. This one just had the power and the neutral. 2 powers and a neutral, but the ground not connected to the. We will hook our ground up to here though. Right to here. Alright. This is okay. This is the ground. There. Now, you see here, L1, L1 and L2 and N. The neutral will be white. So the red and the black will hook to these two. And I don't think it really matters which one is which. We're going to put the red here. And there we go. So now, I'm going to plug it in and we'll see if it works. What do you say, let me back there?
It might explode.
Hopefully not. Alright, so it's plugged in. Let's see if it works. Okay.
Whew.
And there we go.
There's air blowing out back here. It scared me.
You were leaning right up against here, too.
I wasn't touching anything.
And then you notice also, got caught